This week's top stories. Building services industry has 2 years to fix indoor air quality. A policy paper launched at BESA's World Ventilation Day event suggests there is a 2-year window of opportunity to prioritize air quality when assessing building performance. 65,000 UK homes suffered from serious mold and damp, leading to over 10,000 deaths each year linked to respiratory illness, cardiovascular disease, and mental health. The Clean Space acquires Cynergi cleaning and support services. London-based commercial cleaning company The Clean Space has acquired Cynergi cleaning and support services. This acquisition is the company's largest, increasing turnover by around 30%. Sodexo becomes NHS Evergreen Sustainable Supplier. Sodexo has been named one of the NHS's most sustainable suppliers in the NHS Evergreen framework. The framework ranks sustainability and ethical practices among suppliers to the NHS, focusing on ethical sourcing, carbon reduction, and social value.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.